Hello, it's me, Anders Eriksson. Today I'm going to show you how to make the last word. Welcome back! So the last word. This is a cocktail that is 4 ingredients and it's all equal parts. So it's very simple. If you try one person's last word to the next person's last word, they're going to be pretty much the same because it calls for specific ingredients. There's big flavors, but you have a balance of sweet and sour and herbal, and it is a delight. So let's get to it. To the bar! This cocktail will be shaken, so we've got our Boston shaker, Hawthorne strainer, and fine mesh strainer. Also, at this time, you can chill your cocktail glass. I've got that happening right here. I'm really excited about these glasses because I just ordered them. I've always wanted Nick and Nora glasses, and now I finally have some. The sign that we've made it. No, it's not. It's not a sign at all. I'll put a link down below if these are good. All right, to the booze. Oh. Okay, so we are gonna need gin, green chartreuse, maraschino liqueur, and fresh lime juice. The gin I'm using is the Botanist Islay Dry. The chartreuse is green chartreuse, and the maraschino liqueur is Luxardo maraschino. One thing about chartreuse is it's the original liqueur. Dates back to the early 1600s. It's high proof and a very distinctive flavor. It's made of 130 plus, 137, I think. Over 130 herbs and botanicals, and the recipe is highly secret. There's also yellow chartreuse, which is a little sweeter, but green chartreuse is what we want. As for the maraschino liqueur, it's an herbal cherry liqueur that some people pronounce maraschino, some people call it maraschino. The correct pronunciation would be maraschino, but here in the States, everybody says maraschino, so that's what I call it. Yeah? Any questions? Let's make the thing. I forgot my jigger. Oops. And your jigger. This is a really easy cocktail to build because it's all equal parts. So we'll start with the gin. 3/4 of an ounce of gin. 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. 3/4 of an ounce of your maraschino liqueur, or maraschino liqueur, whichever you have. That's a joke. And 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Now we can get our ice and shake. Ready? Oh. Sufficiently chilled glass. To garnish the last word, I like to put a cherry on the bottom, and a lot of people will pour the cocktail and drop the cherry right in, but sometimes that can splash, so I put the cherry in first and pour the drink on top. Maybe I should have poured the drink first because I can't get a cherry. There we go. And strain right into the cocktail glass. The last word. There it is. Prettiest cocktail you'll ever see. No, that's not true. This is what it should look like. And this is what it will taste like. Cheers. Ah, that's wonderful. I really like it with the Botanist gin. I have one guy who comes into the bar and only likes the last word with the Botanist gin. He's got a point. It's very good. It's a lot of big flavors. You've got chartreuse, gin, lime, the maraschino. They balance each other out. It's like herbal, really tart. Herbal. When they were distilling chartreuse, they were trying to come up with the elixir for life.
Oh.
Monks.
Monks. Kind of a punch in the face.
A loving punch in the face. It's like monk punch. Herbal monk punch. But it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. Very refreshing. So that's it. You can't really screw this one up. All equal parts. So even if you wanted to make a big batch of it, so 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. This is definitely one that you should try with other ingredients, other liqueurs, and base spirits. So there are a lot of renditions of this. There's the Final War, there's Naked and Famous, but they're all equal parts, and it's gonna be citrus, base spirit, and then 2 liqueurs. So if you've got a big bar set up, just start pulling bottles and mixing them together. Cheers to me having the last word. Thank you for watching. Cheers to you and your last word, and I will see you next time. Cheers. I'm saying cheers a lot. Cheers. 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 I will have the last word. As you can have the last word.
Okay, cut.